To access the course description section in the Alison Publisher tool, click on the Edit Course icon in the Module Tree Manager. There are 8 course description fields that need to be completed. The first is the course title. This is where the name or title of the course is entered. The space allowed for this is 90 characters, including spaces. The next field is the course headline. The space allowed in this field is 150 characters, including spaces. According to the style guide, the headline text quickly describes the core subject matter of the course. The next field is the short course summary. The space allowed in this field is 450 characters, including spaces. According to the style guide, the short summary has 2 goals. Firstly, it sells how the general subject matter of the course is interesting or useful for personal or professional development. Secondly, it gives a preview of specific content or topics covered in the course. The next field is the summary or long course description. The space allowed in this field is 2,000 characters, including spaces. According to the style guide, the course summary must fulfill the following criteria. The first 2/3 of it should describe the content in the course in some detail. It should explain to the user what they will learn. The third section should sell the course, showing what is interesting and valuable about it. The third section may also mention how short the course is, if that is the case. In the final sentence of the course summary, there needs to be a line of text that says something like the following: "Start the course now," or "Try the course now." This is so that programmers can insert a hyperlink for users, leading them directly to the course. The next course description field is Learning Outcomes. The space allowed here is 800 characters, including spaces. This is where the learning outcomes for the course need to be presented. The next description field is the meta title. The space allowed here is 70 characters, including spaces. The text input here will appear in the tab of the browser that the user is using. Typically, what is written is the name of the course, followed by a vertical bar and the word Alison. The next description field is the course meta description. The space allowed here is 160 characters, including spaces. The text written here will appear in search engine results and should provide a concise indication of what the course is about. The last course description field is the keywords. There is no maximum characters allowed. 4 to 5 words are recommended. Each word needs to be separated with a comma and a space. Keywords are used by search engines to categorize a course. Keywords need to be carefully chosen and should reflect the subject matter of the course. One of the keywords should be Alison to indicate the course provider. Once the course description fields have been written, click on the Next Step button to save your work. This concludes the video tutorial on writing course descriptions in the Alison Publisher tool.